As in the previous video, I have told you all to do this. Either you need a blank paper like this, or you can use your drawing copy having blank pages. Now again, I'm using a bold marker here, or you can use a sketch pen also. Okay, now first we'll divide the sheet into 3 parts. Here I'm dividing the sheet into 3 parts. Divide the sheet into 3 parts because today we are going to learn only 3 objects with letter D, E and F. So divide the sheet into 3 parts. Okay, now which letter we have to start today? We have to start with letter D. So how we make D? We make D. How we make D? For D we need to have 2 dots like this. We join these dots and we make a half circle. In the same manner, we'll turn this sheet up like this. Okay, and we will make a D. Wait, I'm going to make a D like this. You'll turn your sheet up and make a D like this. Okay, now join these dots. How? Like this, and a half circle like this. This is your D. Now again set your sheet. Now you'll draw a line like this and make it a small curve, and you can make a shape like this in your umbrella, and lines like this, curve lines. Okay, now I'll make semicircles here. Okay, like this. This is how you can make umbrella with letter D. Now the next alphabet is alphabet E. Now for making E we need 3 dots, first, second and the third. Join these 3 dots and make letter E. Okay, here I'm making letter E. Make a letter E. Join these 3 dots. Okay, then make a E. Make an E like this. Done. Next, join these endpoints of letter E. Now I'll make a A. I'll join these lines and try to make A. Done. Now I'll make a standing line, again a standing line and a sleeping line. Same way I'll make it here. Standing line, again a standing line and a sleeping line. Now here I'm making a line like sleeping line. You all can make like sleeping line. Here a standing line, small standing line, and I'll join these lines. Okay, so it's good. Now this is house. Now with letter F. With letter F. How you'll make F? With 3 dots only. Join these 3 dots and make a letter F. Now here I'm making an object with letter F. I'm making here 3 dots. Join these 3 dots and make a letter F, little bigger. Okay, now I will make 2 more lines between F. Okay, 1 line and another line, sleeping lines. Now I'll join the edges, end points. I have joined the end points. Now I'll make another standing line here and join this. Okay, now a slant line, again a slant line, and I'll join this also. Okay, now an A. Now a circle. What is this? This is a flag and a dot in the middle. From here I'll stretch the lines. Okay, now fill the colors of your choice in this. I'm going to fill crayons. You can also go with crayons because they look beautiful. I'll color my umbrella pink. Always use your crayons or pencil colors in this manner. Don't use it like this. Okay, otherwise lots of lines will be seen in your drawing. So always use your pencil or crayons, color crayons like this. Okay, now color it slowly. And do not pressurize your colors. Okay, do not give extra pressure to your pencil colors or your crayons because it will make your drawing look dirty. Okay, fill it like this. I'm making umbrella. I'm filling pink color in this, leaving 1 lines. You all can see this. Okay, make it like this and slowly. Do not bring your color out from the lines. So color it very slowly. Here I'm doing purple color. You can fill color of your choice also. Okay, like this. Now here I'm doing green color. You can use color of your choice. Okay, like this. And one more color I'm using it here, that is red. Okay, in this manner you can fill up the drawing like this. Now I'm going with here, this is house. I'm filling in yellow color on the doors, or you can say windows. Fill the color like this, okay, it will be more beautiful. Now I'm doing a red, little dark red here. Okay, you can fill color of your choice. It is not mandatory to fill the same colors. Okay, now I'm using light blue color to do here. Always move your pencil in the same direction. Okay, do not move it like this. Okay, so try to use the pencil in one direction only. If you're using it in sleeping manner, use it in sleeping manner. If you're using it in slant manner, use it in slant manner only. Okay, do not change the direction of the pencil again and again. Otherwise, your drawing will be little dirty. You all can see how I am filling my color and how I am holding my pencil, crayon. Okay. Now fill the color of your choices and make your letters look beautiful. I have brought this activity basically for small kids so that they can engage, so that their parents can engage themselves in something good. Here we are going with green, saffron. Make your flag, national flag, look beautiful. Okay, now you can fill color like brown color. You can fill brown color here, or you can go with black color or any color of your choice. Okay, like this you can make your flag. Okay, now one more color is left. So if you like my video, like, share and subscribe and make your kids engage in something good. Thank you.